temporary nail enhancements. There's nail strips and there's press-on. Temporary nail enhancements are a great way to experiment with nail art, nail shapes, but you don't have to commit to them full time. Plus, they're usually very affordable and you can get mini manicures out of one set. So which of these is best for you? If you're looking to try out a totally new shape, pick up a pack of press-on nails. They're a great way to experiment with new styles, shapes, sizes, try it for an event, and if you don't like it, just remove it when you're done. If you like your current nail shape, try the stickers. These go over top of your natural nail and you can wear them for a week up to 2 weeks. Application is a little different between the two, but I'm gonna walk you through how to put them on. This kit comes with a file, a prep pad, and of course the nail stickers. These stickers come in a pack with different sizes, so you want to make sure you size them up according to your natural nail. And for nail stickers, it's better to go too large than too small. You just peel the sticker and line it up with your cuticle and lay it down onto the nail. You can push the sticker into the cuticle area and pull it tightly across the nail. And be sure to use your nail or even wooden stick to push out any air bubbles. And for pieces that overlap onto your skin like this, you can actually use a wooden stick and kind of etch into that area, and then you can push it away. So once the sticker's firmly pressed down onto the nail, I like to pull it tightly just across that free edge like that. Take that file and run it along the free edge of your nail. When you're sizing these, follow the curve of the sticker. Make sure it aligns with your natural cuticle area and really make sure that sticker is pressed down. As you can see here, the sticker is getting a little bunched up and I'm not evenly able to remove it. Take some acetone and your cleanup brush, and we're just going to remove that area. These nail stickers do dissolve with nail polish remover if you aren't able to remove it with the file. And then after I use the acetone and the cleanup brush, I like to just firmly press down again, just to make sure that sticker is totally stuck down on the nail. I like to keep my thumb on it as I stretch the sticker across the nail. And these do have some stretch to them, so you can kind of manipulate them and pull them and even push them a little bit so it fits perfectly onto your nail. Take the provided file and file off the excess. Nail stickers are great for beginners because you're just applying them over your natural nails, so there's no getting used to a new shape. Stick them on your own nails and you have your very own custom manicure. If you happen to put your nail sticker on a little crooked, don't worry, they're super easy to remove, which we have a video all about. When you're applying your stickers, it's really important to make sure to check all your angles as you're applying them to make sure you're applying them straight onto your own nails. So now I'm going to show you how to apply press-ons. This set comes with different sizes, a file, a wooden stick, and nail glue. So now you just size them up. And I actually place it over my nail. And it's better to do too small than too big. As you can see, this is way too big. So I'm going to go down a size and align it. You want these to fit comfortably into your natural nail. If they're too big, they can be a little uncomfortable. And I find they look a little more natural if they're a little smaller than your actual nail. So as you're sizing these, I recommend laying them out in the order that you're going to place them on, just so that you don't forget. Okay, so now we're ready to apply. One tip, if you look at the free edge of these plastic nails, they often have a little tab, and you can just remove that with the provided file. So my thumb didn't fit perfectly into the curvature of my cuticle area, so I'm going to take the provided file and then just file that corner down so it fits more snug. Press-ons are a great way to experiment with different styles and different colors that you may not normally wear. I like to use them to spruce up a manicure, or if I'm going to an event, I like to try something a little new. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to watch more DIY University videos by Sally Beauty, make sure to subscribe and check out these videos here. There's something you're gonna love.